PJ Flip Studio.
No.
Hey guys. Hey everyone. Today on PJ Flip Studio. I have a tutorial on a move that I said I was gonna do last week called the behind the 8-ball. Here's what it looks like. Alright, so before we get into the tutorial, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel. Drop down a comment on what you'd like to see, and remember, new videos every Wednesday. Okay, on to the tutorial. This move is pretty flashy and it makes up of 3 rollovers that I have taught in the past already. It is the index rollover, a thumb rollover or Y2K, and then a Zen rollover. Those are all going to be in the description. Okay, so what you do first is you're going to fling out the bite handle while holding the safe handle. Alright, so you fling out. Before you fling out, you're going to lift up your pointer finger, flip, put down point finger here, so you can flip into an index rollover. Alright, so you go boom, boom, and then do a roll in the index rollover. Okay, so boom, boom, and then this catch is pretty special. You're gonna do here, and then when you catch it, you're gonna move your thumb here so that your finger touch each other, the thumb and pointer finger. Right, so when you go out, you roll over, you're gonna move your thumb here and catch like that, and then take the place of that index finger. So now it looks like this, and then with that momentum of the index rollover, you can go into a thumb rollover. Alright, so let's do that again. You're going to index, catch like this, touching your fingers, and then go over into a thumb rollover like that. Okay, so just have to move the tripod up a little bit because couldn't see everything. So remember a little recap. You do index, catch with these 2 fingers, place the index, thumb roll over. Okay, so boom, boom, boom. Now this catch is even more special than the other one. Well, you can't catch it in this awkward. Thank you, fridge. Alright, you're gonna go to index, thumb, and then catch it. You're gonna catch it in like this kind of grip that looks like this. Safe side this, safe hand on this side, safe dull side on this side, bite hand out like that. You're gonna catch it like this. Okay, like that. So like, let me do that again. You go index, then the thumb around like that. Then when it's coming, you're gonna catch it like this. And then what you do is you're going to turn your arm this way, so it's facing, so your palm is facing down. So then you go into another thumb rollover. Alright, so once you get to something that looks like this here, and go to alright, but no, that's the no, scratch that, and you go to index, thumb, catch here, turn over palm, move, push this part with your middle finger a little bit, and then you go into another thumb rollover. Oh, it might sound confusing because I messed up, but you're gonna go to out, index catch like that, thumb catch like this, turn your palm over, push your middle finger a little bit, then use that momentum and into a Zen rollover. It's gonna spin around, catch with the bite handle, and make sure you do a wrist pass or else you're gonna get right cut, and then that's gonna be a little painful because the knife's gonna come down like this on you. That happened to me before. It was really painful. Alright, recap. Out, index, catch with these two fingers touch, replace index, roll over, catch in this weird grip, turn your palm over, middle finger push a little bit, and then you go swing this motion like that. Alright, and then wrist pass. Okay, so different angle. You may have seen when I was doing the move that you go into like a up downy kind of motion, because when you're going out and going in this way and go down, then with the first thumb over and go back up, and then when you're doing the last Zen rollover, make sure you go back downward so you don't cut, so it goes like that. Okay, so you go boom, 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 and then you go again but down and back up, right? So it goes like a noodle. Alright, back to this angle. What you do again, little recap. Out, throw around to an index, roll over, make sure you lift up all your fingers. Check out the other tutorials I have about the index, Y2K, and Zen roll over. Out like this, catch two fingers, replace with a thumb, down this way again like that, catch in a weird position, turn your hand, middle finger, and then another one like this, wrist pass, don't cut yourself, like bam, right? And that is the behind the 8 ball, 3 rollovers. Okay, so most people, once they learn the first 2 steps, the index and the thumb, the hardest part is going to this part and then into the Zen. Alright, so a good way to practice that is just get into a position like this, right? Middle finger down like this, and you turn your hand into the Zen rollover. Okay, so here, just get here and just practice that part. Alright, so get here and bam, just keep on practicing that part if you can't get it down, and then eventually you can go like boom into a behind the 8 ball. And remember, this move should be all one fluid motion, so go like my fluid. Oh wait, I messed up. You go here, then all one fluid motion. That wiggly. Alright guys, that is it for the behind the 8 ball. Here it is one more time. Alright, that is it. Make sure you guys practice this move or else you're gonna get destroyed like this video.